welcome back to the next part of this Jasmine repotting video. As you guys already know, in the first video we saw that there were two plants. One was a little bit weak and small, and the other one was quite strong and healthy. So two types of mix we are going to be using for the potting, and obviously we are going to be taking in a pot like this. Okay, some of the holes of this pot are closed, and you can check out that video also. Hopefully that has been uploaded, and the rest of the holes are open for proper drain out of the water and the excess water, and also to retain enough water, because these pots came with a severe number of holes, several. Okay, so all of the water was kind of getting drained out. So in this case, for the stronger plant, the proportion that we are going to be using is 50% of garden soil with 50% by volume, not weight, of mulch or cocoa peat. You can also use sawdust. All right, and we are going to be using a little bit of tea leaves, but mainly we are going to be sprinkling in layers. Okay, while we are first putting it in, we are going to be sprinkling a little bit of seaweed, then again filling it up with more mulch and cocoa peat. Tea leaves aren't really that necessary for a stronger plant. Rather, you should be using after it has gotten adjusted, after like 2 or 3 weeks, if the plants are surviving and it was strong already when you potted it. So then you can probably use a little bit of strained tea water, the brewed leftover water. So in this case, for the stronger plant, we are not going to be using a whole lot of tea leaves. More or less 50% mulch and cocoa peat and garden soil, and we are going to be sprinkling in layers near the root, some in the middle portion, and some on the top portion. We are going to be sprinkling some seaweed granules. Now let us look at how that is going to get done. Okay, this is just for the stronger plant. The next one we will also check out in a little while. So this is the first layer of potting mix. It already has few seaweed granules mixed in. As you can see, 1 or 2 of those blue colored seaweed granules. Okay, all right. Now let us put the first plant in, the stronger one. The first layer of soil was there. Now we put the plant in. I have also put a little bit of that lumpy kind of a clay that it came in. It also has a little bit of sand, by the way, and the clay is reddish in color. Now we are going to be putting in another layer of soil. Okay. Alright, now we are going to be putting in a few grains of seaweed here and there. Alright, now fill that up with the rest of the soil mix. Alright, so as we can see, this is completely done, and now the last layer of seaweed, these are going to get diluted as and when we go on pouring in water. Okay, that's it, just a few, and just put in a little bit of sprinkle of water. It's slightly wintry already, which is why I'm not going to put in a whole lot of water. So that's for the first plant. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be back with another video for the weaker plant repotting. Okay, so stay tuned, and I will be posting an update on this soon if the plant survives, hopefully.